The application menu in AutoCAD 2010 is located in the upper left corner of the screen here. It's the big red A. And if I click on the flyout menu here, the little triangle, it'll show you the application menu dialog box. Now it's called the application menu now, not the menu browser as it used to be called in AutoCAD 2009. And what you'll notice is the format is very different. It doesn't replicate the old pull-down menus in previous versions of AutoCAD anymore. It has been streamlined for access to common tools in AutoCAD 2010. So for example, in the search box at the top here, I can search for a drawing name or a word within AutoCAD in one of the help screens, for example. So if I type in the word drawing, it actually follows me as I type, and you'll notice there that it searches for everything that has the word drawing in it. So it's got all the help screens, the ribbon tab, and so on. So you can see there that it's a very effective search engine as well as an application menu. So I'll just delete those there so that we go back to the menu like so. Now if I want to create a new drawing, I can hover here over new, and if I hover over the little arrow here, it gives me the option to create a new drawing or a new sheet set. If I want to open a drawing or a sheet set or a DGN file, it'll import the data from a DGN file into a new DWG for me if I need it. I can save my drawing, like so. I can save as. Notice lots of different save as options now. I can save as a DWG, a DWT, a DWS, or other formats. I can also publish, for example, to PDF. There's a lot more PDF support in AutoCAD 2010. If I want to export, you'll notice there's the PDF there. I can export out as a DGN or other formats, not just Autodesk or AutoCAD formats, you'll notice. If I want to print, there's loads of options here now for printing. I don't just plot now, I can batch plot, I can do a plot preview, I can even control my page setup. So if I click here, it opens up the page setup dialog box for me, and I can edit my page setup within my drawing. I'm going to close that and go back to the application menu and back to print now. And you'll notice there I can manage plotters, I can manage plot styles. It's all in the one place. It's a one-stop shop and it's very, very visual. A picture paints 1,000 words a lot of the time. You can see here that all the icons are highlighted as well. So I can see there's an icon there for plot. If I look on the quick access toolbar above, the icon is the same. So you can relate icons to commands. I can publish drawings now to either a 3D print service, so I can send a 3D model that I've created in AutoCAD to be prototyped by a 3D print service, or I can archive my drawings if I need to from my sheet sets. If I want to send a drawing to somebody now, I've got the option to e-transmit, which creates a transmittal package of all drawing files and what they call their dependencies. XREF files, font files, plotter configuration files. I can literally just email the current drawing file as an email attachment. It will open up my current email client, such as Outlook, and actually attach the drawing for me in a new email. Drawing utilities there, you'll notice it's all in one place now. I don't have to worry about what's the command for purge. Do I need to type it in? It's there. If I click on purge there, it opens up the purge dialog box for me. Very quick, very easy, very visual. I'm going to close that now and go back to the application menu again. And close has even been enhanced now as well. I can close the current drawing, the one I've got open, or I can close all drawings that I might have open in my current AutoCAD session. So if I've got 5 or 6 drawings open, I can close them all in one go instead of having to close them all one by one. You'll notice down here at the bottom of the screen I've got the options option, if you'll pardon the pun. If I click on options there, that will open up the options dialog box and allow me to set up my options within AutoCAD 2010. Back to the application menu now, and I'll hover over close here again. Notice I can close the current drawing or all drawings, but what happens if I want to open a drawing that I've already opened? I can go up here. These icons here show me recent documents that I've opened within AutoCAD 2010. This icon here is open, and I can open documents here like so, and at the moment the open document I have is drawing 2. As you can see there's drawing 2 there. If I want to open a new drawing, I go to open here, and I can open a new drawing here like so. When I click on that, it opens up a new drawing, and I can open up any drawing that I wish to find. So when it says open new drawing, it doesn't mean create a new blank drawing. It's actually opening up a new drawing in the AutoCAD session. So as you can see there, the application menu is much refined and much more productive for you. It's visual. You can see what you're doing.